It's day one in the new building, which is really exciting. It's our first day in Chapter House. The pupils have all arrived. They have been exploring new classrooms and lots of exciting places to be.
There's a lot of energy and a lot of buzz around the place.
A lot of chatter. There's a lot of curiosity about where to go. They're loving the new space that they're in.
Glad to have a new environment. It's very new, it's very high tech.
The idea behind the building was to have this brand new grown-up space to enable co-education at its best and encourage children to work well together and to feel that sense of maturity and independence that's typical of a Westminster Under School child.
We have so much more space to study.
You can relax a bit more so you can work better.
It'll be definitely a boost to our learning.
It feels very exciting to be able to finally open our doors to girls and boys.
We're very excited about the girls starting in September
to see different perspectives that the boys and girls can bring
to make the most of this school experience. It's just an entirely new start for us. It's open, it's modern, it's purpose-built.
It's a really beautiful building, but also it's functional as well.
The open plan part of it is particularly appealing for the children. Get to know everyone really well, allows us to be more collaborative.
Light and airy and great for teaching and learning. The latest equipment, technology.
We wanted these spaces to welcome everyone, to be inviting and flexible and open to interpretation, because these are really curious young people. We wanted the children to be able to really inhabit the building and to make it theirs.
I really like the design. Classrooms are much better than the old ones.
I love the architecture, the high ceilings.
The lunch hall.
And the breakout spaces.
There are lots of these relaxing places. It gives us lots of space and make new friends.
Learning to build those teamwork skills.
We are unpacking the music department. It's really exciting, moving all our music, instruments and very new pianos into our new space.
This has got much higher ceilings, much more floor space where they can come and share their musical ideas.
There's a lot more collaborative work that can take place because of the style of the classroom has now changed to the pod style, and they can enjoy science from a completely different point of view.
Today we've made a start in our new English department. We've got much more space so I can get round to see all of the children.
Our children love to read.
It's a beautiful library. It's at least 3 or 4 times the size of what we had.
Now we have lots of cool places to read, like the reading pyramid, lots of fluffy cushions,
really comfortable seats, and it can store so many books.
There's lots to read about inside.
At the end of the day, the children have had an amazing experience in our brand new building, one that finally reflects what a wonderful school we are.
It's a brilliant place